Welcome to Adeline Redesign. I am Adeline, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on the Magnum Project Painters Plus. This is a true airless paint and stain sprayer. They say it is kind of a big deal. I'm very excited about it. Let's get into it. Box comes with instructions first. They probably want us to read that. I can register it, and this is the manual with all the instructions. They also have a website and phone number and a quick guide. This feels laminated, so this will last for a while. Presumably I'll have this out regularly to reference. Okay. Wow, this is this is substantial. She said. Low-hanging fruit. What is this? This is metal. This is heavy. It feels indestructible. I have a HVLP sprayer and I'm switching to this kind of, maybe. This is gonna last a lifetime. I think it's what it feels like anyway. What's it come with? It's got this bottle or something. It's Christmas. So here's the main amazingly heavy. It has unclog, clog, spray. It's got a lot of options. It's so substantial. This is gonna be something, isn't it? This I hadn't read about, so I don't know what it is. Okay, this is called pump armor. So this is for freeze protection to put in airless sprayers if you're using long-term storage. I live in Texas. Don't know how likely it is that I'm gonna need this personally, but I'm glad that it's included. And I wonder why we need protection from freezing for these products. I don't know. Okay. Oh. And that is everything in the box. Again, this is quite substantial. It has a QR code on the side here to help with instructions. I've watched a lot of videos and read about it and been on their website, so I feel pretty good about how I'm gonna do this. The process, this is something. All right, the process is multi-step. That's why they have this guide. Apparently, how many steps there are to set up. Oh, and this has all of the. It's 2 languages at least, so it's not all the answers. So these are the controls listed. It lists the power is here. This one is the pressure. The prime button. It's around here somewhere. Here it is. In the drawing that they have, it's blue, but in my reality, it's black and it's labeled with a C on it. These stickers aren't super strong, but I should be familiar with it enough by the time they would wear off. This filter is going to go directly into the paint bucket. So I don't have to, and I don't have to thin any of the paint. My biggest concern is how long this is going to take me to clean. But if I'm doing enough of a project, how do I guess I don't undo that part. This will attach to my garden hose. I'm hopeful cleanup won't be too very challenging. Okay, so we have the power button over here, the pressure up and down here, prime goes here, and then the spray tip. Oh, it looks just like the way they drew. Everything is in blue, rather, no matter what color it really is. Important step before using. There may be fluid. Flush it out with water before use. It's got a clog and an unclog setting on here. So one is during clogs, or clog and spray setting, unclog, whatever. It's got settings, and it has a lot of information on setup, startup, spraying it. It can go vertical, horizontal. It's got the cleanup steps for you, and that's all that's needed. You can take off the other language. It's perforated in case you don't need to read it in 2 languages. This is good. This is gonna be fun. Just directly into the paint bucket it's gonna go. The biggest concern I have is how much paint I'm gonna waste, which is a concern if you're doing an enormous project. You don't need to be super worried about it. I do furniture. But I have some ways I think can help prevent that being an issue. This is beautiful. This is beautiful.